What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on AMP, which has hit a green candle. Once again it is up just about 16% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just over 0.008 cents in value. So we're going to be going through what is next for AMP. Again, it hasn't taken a pump in a while. More or less it has been dropping quite consistently over the last few months here. So we're going to be going through what is next. Is this the recovery point? Is it going to pump back up in value, potentially heading over the 1 cent target, or is it going to crash back down? Essentially looking at its short-term and long-term prediction in 2024, and also looking at both buyers and sellers point of view. What is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? And again, looking at its long-term prediction over the coming years as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart right now, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at just over 0.007 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in red, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, the orange line is looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning it is not too realistic guys. Again, it's looking too steep, meaning the reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taking place earlier this morning. However, that is beyond the point. Again, over the next 12 to 14 hours, in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting AMP to have taken a little bit of a dip back down in value, trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Dropping below 0.0075 cents is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at. Reason being is it's gone through quite a pump again in a short amount of time. So yes, it is slightly overvalued right now, so I'm expecting more red candlesticks to appear over the coming hours, making it drop back down in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we are looking a little bit too steep here. We've got the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction, but the fact that it's looking way too steep means it's not as realistic as it seems, just like the previous chart. However, over the coming 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting AMP to be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Heading past the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting AMP to be trading at, meaning an overall increase in value. Reason being is, yes, the Bitcoin halving did take place. Right now, not just AMP, but the crypto market is going through a slight dip. As you guys can see, majority of the cryptocurrencies have been on the red side over the last few days. However, I'm expecting it to recover from this, slowly hitting green candles, essentially heading past the 1 cent target by the end of this week, early next week is what I'm expecting from AMP. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are not looking too steep, meaning it is much more realistic than the previous two charts. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, mid to late June 2024, I'm expecting AMP to be heading over the 2 cents target. Guys, I've been saying this since the start and I still stick by that. By mid-year, I'm expecting AMP to be heading over the 2 cents target, but again, this depends on how the crypto market performs and mainly how Bitcoin performs. And again, as I mentioned in my previous updates, I'm expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high by mid-year, which should have an overall positive impact on the crypto market, hence why I'm expecting AMP to be heading over the 2 cents target as well. But AMP is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so if there are any major changes to my predictions, either in a positive or negative way, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the green zone. It is likely to fluctuate in the green zone over the next week or two before it slowly starts to hit the dark green zone into the blue zone by mid to late May, and into the top tier level in June, July is what my expectations are at the moment. But again, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, so predictions are likely to slightly change, but then again, that is why I keep you guys updated. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 900% in the last 24 hours, making it over $74 million in trading. Again, reason why the trading volume has gone up is quite obvious. It's because of the major pump that's taken place earlier on this afternoon, all the way up to about just under 0.009 cents, and right now slowly taking a dip. Over the week it has gained 4%. We can see it has been hitting red candles for majority of the week, and over the month it is down near about 20%, with major drops here earlier on in March and early April as well. And right now it is slowly starting to recover, but it is a little bit too far from recovering at the moment. It does still have a long way to go. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on AMP, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, have your predictions changed on this crypto, and if so, comment down below how high and how low are you guys expecting AMP to go in 2024. Personally, the 5 cents target is quite a push. However, it may be able to hit that towards the very end of the year or early next year is when I'm expecting AMP to hit the 5 cents target. Let me know, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the 5 cents target, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.